watch includes the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 5:30 p.m. Northeastern New Jersey, eastern Pacific County in the northeastern thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wayne, Paramus, Ridgewood, Nanuet, Ramsey, Pompton Lakes, Suffern, Hawthorne, Pearl River, Wattle, Fairlawn, Wyckoff, Oakland, Glen Rock, River Edge, Westwood, Franklin Lakes, Hillsdale, Rivervale, and Waldwick. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen and Passaic, and Rockland, New York. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive. New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan, southeastern New York, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren or over Paramus, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bergenfield and Norwood around 3:50 p.m. Fort Lee and Englewood around 4 p.m. Yonkers, Harlem, and Riverdale around 4:05 p.m. Mott Haven, East Tremont, and Bronxville around 4:10 p.m. New Rochelle, Co-op City, and City Island around 4:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 5 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Eastchester Bay, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hempstead Harbor, Baxter Estates, Saddle Rock, Eastchester Bay, Little Neck Bay, Execution Rocks, and Manhasset Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for Bronx County in southeastern New York, Haven in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, south central Westchester Westchester County in southeastern New York until 6 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the board.
The National Weather Service in Upton has
0.75 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Rochelle, Mott Haven, East Tremont, Throgs Neck Bridge, LaGuardia Airport, RFK Bridge, Astoria, Riverdale, Co-op City, Whitestone, City Island, Mount Vernon, Pelham, Woodlawn, Pelham Manor and Fordham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, and Westchester. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, until 7 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Ship Bottom, Seaside Park, Barnegat Light Reef, Pine Beach, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, and La Valette. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Flood warning in effect until 9:30 p.m. this evening. What? Urban area and small stream flooding caused by earlier excessive rainfall is ongoing. Where? Southern Westchester in New York. When? Until 9:30 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details: at 7:41 p.m., Emergency Management reported lingering flooding from earlier rainfall when between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain fell. Some locations that will experience flooding include Yonkers, New Rochelle, Port Chester, Rye, Greenwich, Scarsdale, Bronxville, Mount Vernon, Eastchester, Mamaroneck, Hastings-on-Hudson, Greenville, Pelham, Tuckahoe, Larchmont, Pelham Manor, and Ardsley. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.